A lot of people try to roast broccoli the right way, but it either comes out too hard or too soft, even mushy sometimes, especially when placed in a soup. Here we go. I'm going to show you how to season and roast broccoli the right way so you get caramelization. It keeps its structure, but not too hard and not too soft, even when in a soup. So let's go. Get yourself a medium to large bowl here. Any bowl's fine. I'll put it on the side here. And we're going to chop up this broccoli and put it in there. Very easy, right? I like to do the twirl method. I made it up. No, I didn't. Every chef in the world does it. Twirl it and cut it. See, they just fall off automatically. And if you like long stems, do it. I don't. I like the crowns. Not too hard, right? You throw that out. People like to chop that up and put it in the soup. I don't. I'm sorry, but sometimes you just don't have to be me. See what I'm doing? Bite size, bite size. You don't need that, okay? You're gonna need a shoehorn to get it in your mouth. Don't start with me. See, just throw them in there like that, okay? And that's it. See? Kind of bite size, kind of bite size. You can make them smaller if you want. Now I'm gonna show you a cool way to season these things before we roast them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pre-season this broccoli. So when it roasts in the oven, it gets kind of baked in, you know? You bake in, or you roast in the flavor, you know? You don't just stick it like this in broth. You just don't do it. Not in my kitchen. And my kitchen's your kitchen, today anyway. So there's some chili powder for you, about a tablespoon. Let's go about a teaspoon. Now how am I gonna get all of this into this and give it coverage? There it is again, our sponsor Olivari. Get yourself a small whisk and just do like, you're doing a salad dressing, right? You want about a good quarter, almost a third of a cup of this stuff. I'm gonna pour it over the broccoli. Here it is, like this, just get a good coverage. And now we just want to flip it. If you don't know how to do this, get a big spoon. Serving spoon will do. You mix it around. Now you're not trying to overpower the taste of the soup with all this stuff. You just, when you bite into the broccoli, you're like, hey, this broccoli, was it growing in like a really cool field or something? Because it tastes like better than most broccoli I've gotten out of soups. Come on, man. It's flavor. Everything's flavor. Life is flavor. Okay, looks good. See, it gleams a little bit. You know that it's gotten on there. Here's a little bit more. Stick it in. I'm happy. If you're happy, I'm happy. And now we can get the salt to stick to it, right? Teaspoon's fine. We'll be seasoning the soup too. And again, flip, or take a big spoon and scoop. Our old friend, the rimmed cookie sheet. It's been through the war, folks. Through the cooking war. Look at that. That's war, baby. And give it a pan. You could throw some aluminum foil over this if you want. And then give that a pan. We don't mind cleaning up around here. And just lay it out. 375 on that oven. Second rack, oops, get over here. Second rack down from the top. And I want you to go about 20 minutes. That's it, just 20 minutes. Get a nice char on one side. And have all this delicious flavoring stick to the guts of this stuff. Just wanted to show you this broccoli just came out. Can you see the charring? Can you see the delicious caramelization, as they call it? Brown, almost black, but it's not black. So let's let that cool, leave it alone.